So let me put this into the chat. I'll move this one over here.
I think most of us who are on this call, as we know that kind of that fork in the road of a business sale, is we think like, was it a stock sale or an asset sale?
Yeah.
And that's kind of like most people are already familiar with that. And so I think just making sure that we really understand which forms we're trying to work with, depending on those, which road it goes down.
Yeah. So what are these classes? And that's where these two forms go together, 8023 and the 8883. That's if it's a stock sale elected to be an asset sale. If it's just a pure asset sale, the form that's going to go along with the tax return when you file it is a form 8594. Oh. And that is this form right here. Can everybody see that? Good. So that's where this one is a little bit simpler. You just mark if it's the purchaser of the business or the seller of the business. So each the purchaser and the seller has to include this form with their tax return. And they better match. So that's where when the person sells the business, you also want to make sure that they get a W-9 with the buyer's information so that they can report it properly. You'd be amazed at how often I have seen that out of all the documents, everything else, there's no federal ID number. Lots of names, lots of everything else, but the actual federal ID number of the buyer or the seller, the other party from your client, that information does not get provided. And also you want to make sure that you have the correct information as far as updating your client's mailing address, everything else, because if they're selling their business, they're probably getting rid of their, physical location.